Claude plus ChatGPT equals $57,152 in 90 days. Another very misleading claim again by Kellan. I've audited numbers for 35 years. The fastest way to catch a bad claim is to multiply the two numbers the person gave you. He gave me both, and he gets an F. Okay. The kill number is 38 cents. He puts a short screen, 37 million views, almost $9,000. He says the RPM is 38 cents. 37 million views at 38 cents per 1,000 is 14,060. His own screenshot says 24 cents. He's $5,000 off on his own proof in his own words. And this is not even a reason why this video got an F, but we'll let it play a little bit and we'll listen to it.
As a 20-year-old using Claude and ChatGPT to run a faceless AI YouTube channel. Specifically, this is with YouTube Shorts. I do not do any long form, and I don't show my face in any of the YouTube Shorts that I post. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this is one of the biggest opportunities on the internet, and I'm going to give you literally everything I know and show you exactly how to do this too. But before I get into it, I'm going to show you...
Yeah, let's speak as fast as he can so he can try and get you in there. So let's get into this, the whole kill, what gives this thing an F. Okay. Claimed RPM at 38 cents, showing revenue almost 9,000 at 37 million views. The error, 37,000 views, blocks at 38 times 38 cents is 14,060. I said that earlier. The short didn't make 14,060. He said it made almost 9,000. Here's arrow number 2. A 9,000 divided by 37,000 equals 24 cents. That's the real RPM off his channel screen, not what he's telling you at all. 24 cents versus 38 cents, okay? Error number 3, the comparison. He says the older one made 3,900 on a $79 million view at 9 cents per 1,000 equals 3,900 divided by 79,000. It's 4.9 cents, not 9. Both anchors on the RPMs quadruple. The story fails their own arithmetic. 4.9 to 24 is not a story. He told neither of the numbers he said out loud and matches with the screen behind him. Okay. Also, in this other prior video, other audit I did, and I'm sure he's doing the same thing on this one, he's basically stealing content from TikTok, taking the name off of the other individuals and repurposing it on his own. That's theft, pretty much. Basically, it's just theft. I think in my last audit, I said that YouTube should be canceling this guy's channel because he's a fraud and a thief. And that's basically what it is. He's a thief. Okay? Most creators in 2026 see shorts RPMs around 1 to 7 cents per 1,000 views, with high volume niches reaching roughly 15 to 25 cents. His claim is 38 cents for an AI fact clipped above the range industry data and above what his own screenshot shows. So everything he's basically telling you is a lie. Okay. Here's the missing numbers that he's not telling you that I dug out of this whole thing. He says the channel made 60,000 in profit in 90 days. Cost shows 0. Vimeo subscription generates credit his time, yet none of it appears. The revenue wearing a profit costume. It's just not there. Okay. The other missing number is his own full year RPM of 236,000 on 2.7 billion views is 8.7 cents. The record high RPM pitch is built on 2 cherry-picked shorts, while his own channel, wide numbers, sits under a dime. So again, he steals the content. Keep that in mind, okay? And faceless YouTube channels, again, YouTube, wake up. Cancel this guy because he is a thief, okay? So here's more stuff. So the title doesn't match the video. The title says 57,152 on camera, 60,000 in profit, same channel, same 90 days, 2 numbers, 1 claim. Which one is it? Okay. His shorts aren't saturated. Proof is Google's trend showing fewer people searching YouTube automation. The measures curiosity, not how many channels are posting. He presented a demand that data doesn't supply. It's not there. Okay. To make money on YouTube Shorts, it is unreal of what you got to do to get monetized. So look it up what it takes to get monetized, and you won't even want to make a short. Okay. He teaches you copying TikTok. Yeah, there's where he's not copying. The keyword is you be stealing into the editor, trimming them into his own monetized short. YouTube monetization policies name shorts compiled from other social media sites as ineligible. So why, YouTube, have you not shut him down? Okay. Even with permission, you can't do it. And YouTube in July 2025 updated specifically targets reuse clips, complements, and mass production AI content as demonetization. He's teaching the exact content type YouTube wrote the rule about. He's going to get your channel banned. He should be banned already. Okay. He coaches the cover up. Yep, his words: mix AI clips with real ones, so content sneaks through and viewers don't realize it's AI. While TikTok watermarks itself if signals refuse content to YouTube. He's just kid skipping disclosures and teaching you concealment. It's a scam. He's a fraud. He should be banned. Okay. Let's see. I keep going off on this guy, but the warm up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just. His own video contradicts it. The whole warm up section exists because, in his words, the new channels have no standing with YouTube. You can't need a warm up and hit tens of million views in just a few weeks. It doesn't work. Okay. I just don't get this guy. Why he's still doing these channels, I don't know. You know, YouTube needs to wake up. This one is one of those channels that should be banned. He should get an F. He's just basically a fraud who's stealing other people's content. And you guys, 77,000 people think he's the shit. You know, I would ask any of you that are his subscribers, tell me if you've made money doing what he says. Tell me if your channel hasn't gotten banned. I'd love to be proven wrong. I don't think I will be because I think he's a fraud and a scam artist. So let me know in the channel. Like and subscribe. Look forward to making you guys the next channel. Have a good one.